We need like one of those. So, welcome everybody to WB Mechanical Services, or otherwise known as WB Motorsport. Now, this is the place where my Mini is getting built, but before we get into all of the goodness of the Mini, have a look around at some of these cars. We have a lovely TVR here. We have a very, very nice Fiesta R2 rally car, which has a sequential gearbox and all the lovely stuff like that. Also, look, we have a Hayabusa. We have a turboed motorbike. We have, yeah, look at that, and it's got NOS. Look at that. I've never seen that on a motorbike before. That's the coolest thing.
That's never not done a wheelie.
No, that's done many wheelies in its time. We have another R2 here, and Ben, who owns this Bentley, has done a Matt Armstrong, and he had to replace the rear quarter on this from that Bentley up on the top over there. You see there, that is a Bentley Continental brand new shell that he had to do that to replace the rear quarter on this. But we have a Mini here, which is exactly the same as mine. Will be competing in the same championship as me. We have a 600 brake horsepower Mark I Escort Mexico, a Cosworth YB turbo. Look at that. Borg Warner. Yeah, that is an extremely big snail. 600 brake horsepower. He's telling me it weighs 890 kilograms. That's just insane. We have another very impressive bike, which I've got no idea what it is, but it has slick tyres, so I presume it's fast. And then this man over here has had a extremely large erection because he has seen a Cummins 6BT in a very old Dodge truck thing, which looks very, very cool. It's got a whacking great turbo on it, so I presume it makes a lot of power. So this is just an insight into WB Mechanical Services, or Motorsport, whichever one you want to call them. Ben does like his projects, and he likes to do silly things like putting turbos on motorbikes that are already too fast. That is the radiators. It is cooling.
It's got a 48 in the front of it.
It's got a 48.
Graphic car.
I want you to get comfy. I want you to sit down and relax, because we are now going to show you the best vehicle in this whole location.
A Fiat Doblo. A
Fiat Doblo. So we have a Subaru here, another Mini. There's a theme here, there's lots of Minis about. We have a Clio race car, a very nice Merc. Oh, this is the best car here. Look. Look at this. This is so crazy to look at, because this was a design on a computer screen for about 3 months, and then now I see it in front of me, and it is like, it's one of the craziest feelings. Like, Louis, the designer of this, will tag his Instagram in the video. He's never done a car design before, and he just came up with this design, and he's never gone through the process of designing something and taking it to get it wrapped. Also, massive thank you to Rapstar, Steve at Rapstar. He's done me a very nice one here. It looks really, really high quality, which is ideal, really. And I just hope it's not going to get too damaged during the rallying. Of course, because I'm a very, very good driver, it won't get damaged. Also, a massive, massive thank you to one of my sponsors, Kielder Work Tools. Now, they've given us this beautiful laser cut nut gun, which I can do to change punctures, but of course I'm going to drive very well, so I'm going to have no punctures. But yeah, no, they've given us this amazing layer cake, which has their nut gun with all the relevant sockets. But look in here, look at that, all your sockets, Stanley knife, extension, mole grips, adjustable spanner, everything like that. Allen key set, all fits into this. Look, 15-inch wheel, my rally wheel, straight in there. How perfect is that? The car then goes into the boot, and if I need to change a puncture, everything is there for me to do it. They've also given me a ratchet strap, which I'm extremely happy about. I've never owned a ratchet strap before, so this is extremely exciting. They've also given me a lovely headset holder, which will be placed into the car. Ben has said he will fit this into the car for me. So, but like, look at that, it's all like laser cut, all really, really high quality stuff. So if you are in the market for power tools and work tools, look no further than Kielder Work Tools. We will drop a link to their website. Yes, on the car. Look at that beautiful Svengrud Motorsport. Yeah, we'll drop a link into the video. We'll tag them on Instagram. So like, go and give them a follow. Go and give them support, because this really wouldn't be possible without their help. So it's amazing to have them on board. Their products are very, very, very high quality. So yeah, once again, thank you very much to Kielder Work Tools. This car was yellow. Now that isn't the most appealing colour.
I think it's
for a
actually
rally
one
car.
of the most disgusting colours.
It is actually, I think so. So I think the black and orange is a very, very nice addition to this. But we're going to get all this painted and stuff like that, so it's all going to be nice. You won't see any of this because there's a door card and everything like that. So just pretend the yellow isn't there. We've gone for the black roof because I think it offsets everything very nicely. And the boot is also black because it gives a nice contrast compared to everything else. So we've got the Instagram and TikTok handles there, which is basically the YouTube one as well. But look, this man is a genius at design. He is magnificent. So at the minute, we are also missing 55 Performance. We've come down on a Tuesday. Steve from Rapstar is coming down on a Friday, and he will be adding all the relevant sponsors on. But of course, we'll tag them in the description of the video. A massive thank you to all the backers: P1 Motorsport, Racewear, Nicky Grist Motorsport, Kielder, Lou & Co, Louis Cotton, and 55 Performance. Really is a massive help towards the rally, and so I really, really appreciate it. And we've also got some very cool stuff coming from Nicky Grist and P1 Racewear very soon, which we will unveil to everyone and across all the social medias. We're 2 weeks away from the rally, but Ben says he'll have this done by next week, so that's so crazy. I couldn't even think to. It's got no engine, obviously no gearbox, no cage. Cage comes back tomorrow. It's at the powder coaters now, being powder coated black. Everything is in. Fuel lines, brake lines are in. So these are the wheels I'll be using, which are Revolution. These are really, really high quality rally wheels, which loads of people use. They are really quite strong, and I'll need them because I'll be smashing gravel. It's on some Bilsteins, which is also good, but we'll be running the ProFlex, because obviously it's the ProFlex Mini Rally Championship. And these are the wrong tyres as well. We'll be running the Zestinos, which is a drifting tyre, but it's not actually. They make good rally tyres. Yeah, Zestinos. They're actually very affordable, but they're also very high quality, which is a bonus for everybody involved, because it means I can go through them and not have to worry about my bank balance. Although I do still have to worry about my bank balance, because I don't have a tyre sponsor, which would be excellent. Let us know what you think of the livery, because look at that. Got the SG logo interwoven into it. It's a very, well, when Louis designed it, he said it was
it's very chaotic.
It's very chaotic, but it's going to stand out, and that's what we need. Because there's too many of these minis that look the same.
Ginger.
Because the ginger man is in a ginger car. I think it looks very smart. I think it's a very handsome looking car in this livery.
Sure, it's the engine. The engine?
Done delete.
Weight saving.
Weight saving, yeah. This could be the fastest mini. It's a gravity racer.
Soapbox.
Soapbox. Red Bull soapbox, here we come. Putting an engine and box in for Ben there's no difficult challenge for him. So as you've seen by his other projects, he's not afraid of doing stuff. Seat fit on the Friday the 12th, and then we have a test day at Anglesey Circuit on the 13th of April, and then the rally is on the 14th of April on the Sunday. So 14th of April, be there and come and say hello as well. It'd be good to see some of you guys if you're down at the rally. No pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure at all.
If you fail.
Yeah, I'll just be disowned by everybody. You'll just like not be friends with me anymore.
I just won't be friends with you.
My dad won't even be my dad anymore. So just strolls in behind. You know like Cliff is scared. When he comes from behind the tree, he's like,
"Hey, what's up, guys? It's Scares here."
Thing is though, I feel like people are going to expect me to be sideways all the time.
Yeah.
But I'm not.
You're going to be very controlled on.
Very controlled. Fast.
How much?
It's 115 horsepower, which is a massive increase.
Is it the
from the C1?
1.5 litres?
6. It's a 1.6, which is a massive power increase for the C1. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to handle it.
It's double, isn't it?
Almost double. Well, no, because the C1's got 68. This is Ben's Mark II Escort as well. He's got a thing for Escorts, I think. Not those kind of Escorts. Right. Anyway.
Exactly.
So, thank you very much for watching. This has been the... What?
Sounds like you have a stroke mid-sentence.
So, this has been the sort of first time seeing / reveal of the car. It's not in a state of rallying yet, but it will be very, very soon. And probably the next time you'll see this car
It'll be upside down in a field.
I hope not, but it's a possibility. Yeah, no, the next time we see it, it'll be a proper ready-to-go rally car, and it will be in Anglesey. So
Anglesey, April the 14th.
April the 14th. Make sure you are there. It'd be really good to see some of you guys. Prime video photo taking position there. Like, hand subscribe. Like, hand subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like, hand subscribe.
Yeah. See you guys there.
If you like the video, I'll shave his monobrow.
Negative, that's not. Oh no, I do need to fuck it.
Au revoir, monsieur.
Au revoir.